Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can fix Samsung laptop printer not working. So, if your fingerprint scanner doesn't work, it's very easy to fix it. First up, you need to go to your Windows settings, alright, and then you need to go to Windows Update section. And just be sure that your Windows is updated, and just make sure that your Windows is up to date. So after that, what you need to do is just go back to your settings again and just simply go and find Windows Security or Password Manager, and right away here you need to go to Windows Hello Fingerprint and remove all the fingerprints that you currently have and then put a new fingerprint. After that, just restart your PC and try, and this should fix it up. So I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.